Hare Krishna students, please open your book, page number 77. You are having this Sabdarup and Dhaturup in your syllabus. Sabdarup Prathama to Saptami you are having in your post midterm syllabus. Okay. So, from there now I will give you the Karak Vibhakti. I saw that in last exam, very few students are attending, and those who attend, they also did few wrong. Maybe 2 or 3 students did fully correct. Why I don't know. From each section, sorry. Girls also did 2-3 like this. Boys also like 2-3, not more than this. So why like this? Why total 6 or 7 students did fully correct the Karak? I don't know. So this time also in exam I am going to give the Karak Vibhakti again from this only, from there only. I will give revision, don't worry. Okay. But in exam I will change the subject and verb. Whatever I will going to give in revision, the same things I am not going to give in your exam. Little I will change. Okay. And you know that 80% will be common, not the 100%. So for that you have to know the subject rules. This is Sabdarup rules also you can say. You can see here Prathama, Ditya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami. Up to Saptami you are having in your syllabus. Am I right? This is masculine gender, next feminine gender, and then neuter gender. So you have to memorize these 3 at least. Okay. So let's see. Balakoho, balako, balakaha. If you are getting this, then it should be Prathama Vibhakti. Okay. Karti Karake Prathama Vibhakti. I am writing here Karti. You can understand? This is Karti. Karti Karake Prathama Vibhakti. Okay. Balakam, balako, balakam. This is Karma Karake Ditya Vibhakti. Okay. Now Balokeno, balokabhyam, balokoihi. This is Karan Karake Tritiya Vibhakti. Balokayo, balokabhyam, balokevyaho. Okay. You can say this is that balokayo, balokam, balokevyaho, balokayo, balokam, balokevyaho. You can say this one Sampradan Karak. Okay. That means giving. Sampradan. Sampradan Karake Chaturthi Vibhakti. Okay. Balokat balokabhyam balokevyaho. This is Opadan Karak. Something minus. Okay. Opadan. Opadan Karake Panchami Vibhakti. Okay. Balokasya balokayoho balokanam. You have to say this. Sambandha pade sashti vibhakti. Sambandha pade. Pade. This is sambandha. I wrote here fully only because it is not the Karak. You have to write Pod only. Sambandha pade sashti vibhakti. Saptami. Balake, balakayoho, balokesu. These things. So these are like a in, at, on, situation, those things. Okay. So you can say Adhikaran Karake. Adhikaran Karake Saptami Vibhakti. Okay. As it is same things will apply in feminine gender and in neuter gender also. Okay. Here I am writing which are the sign. Okay. So let's see. I wrote here. Prathama means name or you can say subject. Ditya means object. Tritiya means with or by. Chaturthi means for. Panchami means from. Shashti means apostrophe s, means someone's pen, someone's pencil, like this. Someone's apostrophe s. Saptami, where you will use in, at, on, situation, place. Okay, place. I forget to write place. P-L-A-C, place. Okay. There you have to use Saptami Vibhakti. Okay. Go to the next page. These things. Here already written Prathama and Ditya. Phalam phale phalani, phalam phale phalani. Okay. These two are same. Means Prathama Vibhakti Roop and Ditya Vibhakti Roop are same. Okay, but from Tritiya onward to Saptami, fully as same as like rules are same, not the word are same. Rules are same as like masculine gender. Neuter gender rules are same from Tritiya to Saptami like a masculine gender. Okay, so like eno abhyam oihi, ayo abhyam evyoho, at abhyam evyoho, kasya asya ayoho anam, a ayoho esu. This rule should be same. Okay, in neuter gender also. So in neuter gender, in fal pade you have to use, we can use those rules as it is. Okay, like we can say falat, falabhyam, falebhyo, falasho, falayoho, falanam, fale, falayoho, falesu, like this. Okay, so from this Sabdarup, I'll give the Karak Vibhakti in your exam. Okay, and now go to the Dhaturup. Okay, see the Dhaturup. From Dhaturup, I told that Rit Lakar and you are having Lot Lakar. What are the Lit Lakar rules? Syati Satah Santi, Syasi Satah Satah, Syami Syavah Syamah. But before that, you have to add Ishya. Ishya plus Titahanti rules. Simple. That Lot Lakana, that Titahanti rules. Titahanti Shitahata Ami Abahama, those rules you will add after Ishya. This is E. Okay. Ishya plus Ishyati, Ishyataha, Ishyanti. See, Bhav Dhatu, that's why Bhu Dhatu, that's why Bhavishyati, Bhavishyataha, Bhavishyanti, like it will come. And Lot Lakar, this is Tu Tamontu rules. Tu Tamontu, he means 0, I told, Vaise he. So Tu Tamontu, he tamta, Anyabo amo. Tu tamontu, hi tamta, anyabo amo. Bhavatu, bhavatam, bhavantu, bhavo, bhavatam, bhavata, bhavani, bhavavaha, bhavava. Like this it will come. Okay. See. Isya, then Titahanti rules. Pat plus Isya, Patishya plus Ti. Patishyati, Patishyataha, Patishyanti, Patishyasi, Patishyataha, Patishyata, Patishyami, Patishyavaha, Patishyamaha. Like this it will come. Lit Lakar means Bhavishyat Kal. A Bhavishyat Kal is Ishya. From here, Ishya we are taking. Then Titahanti rules. And Lot Lakar, this is Anugya Vachak, that is imperative mode. Here we have to apply the rules. Tu tamontu, hi tamta, anyabamo. He means just the Dhaturup will be add and no halant. Without halant, that Dhatu only come. Pat Dhatu, see, no halant. So Patha. Patatu, Patatam, Patantu, Patho, Patatam, Patata, Patani, Patavaha, Patamaha. Oz Dhatu always different. See, Lit Lakar. Oz Dhatu, Lit Lakar and Bhu Dhatu, Lit Lakar always same. Bhavishyati, Bhavishyata, Bhavishyanti, Bhavishyasi, Bhavishyata, Bhavishyata, Bhavishyami, Bhavishyava, Bhavishyama. Now see, Oz Dhatu, Lit Lakar, same. Bhavishyati, Bhavishyata, Bhavishyanti, Bhavishyasi, Bhavishyata, Bhavishyata, Bhavishyami, Bhavishyava, Bhavishyama. Okay. So Oz Dhatu, Lit Lakar and Bhu Dhatu, Lit Lakar, both are same. Okay. Ishya plus Titahanti rules. Now go to the next page. Here we can see the Oz Dhatu Lot Lakar. What are the Lot Lakar? That means imperative mode rules. Tu tamontu. Oz plus tu, ostu. Oz plus tu tam na. So Oz plus tam, stam. Oz plus tu tamontu. So Oz plus ontu, sontu. Like this it will come. So tu tamontu, hi tamta, ani abo amo. Oz Dhatu always different. That's why Lot Lakar you have to remember for Oz Dhatu. Ostu stam sontu, edhi stam sta, oshani oshabo oshamo. Ostu stam sontu, edhi stam sta, oshani oshabo oshamo. Again, ostu stam sontu, edhi stam sta, oshani oshabo oshamo. Again, ostu stam sontu, edhi stam sta, oshani oshabo oshamo. Okay. So, this much only your today's revision. today's CW, and one more thing, that is Sankhya you are having in your syllabus. I given already project from this part. I told that fully this much you have to write in your project, in a chart paper. Right, that is only your project. Am I right? So when you are writing in your project, that time only you have to remember this, because in exam maybe few I'll give from here in your exam. Okay, so this is also very, very important, and this is also, you can say, today's CW, because before only I have did this as a project, so already maybe you all are completed remembering. Those who completed the project, they remember this, but those who not completed project, I am telling that do it fast and remember this also, because it will come in your exam. Okay, Hare Krishna. Here your syllabus completed. From next day I am going to start your revision number 1. So next day post midterm revision will be start, so be ready for that. Okay, Hare Krishna.